be a spot if you don't really put the work in. This past year was full of long nights and longer days, cause in the rap game, nothing is forever certain.
So the reason why I'm taking this off is so I can, I'm gonna repaint the fender. Scratched it up a little bit, a couple times when I first went down on it. So I'm gonna start with the fender. Yeah, I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna do some fun stuff. I had a couple different colors that I have. I have a silver. I have this really cool gold brown that I like to use. I'm gonna throw on there. So yeah. Let's take this thing off and paint. This is where my turn signals are, or my indicators. So I have to get that out of there. Very easy. I put it in myself, so it's not hard at all. Out. Lift this up. She's out. Tap back on so I don't lose it. Of course. Some of you probably won't do this. It's different. So let's sand her down and paint her. Yeah, see, there's nothing even on here, like no one painted it or anything before that, because it has that. I used to work at a body shop, so I know exactly what this is. I had to prep this very easily. It's 30 minutes. If I want to really get it in there, it's gonna take me a minute, but this is gonna go by quick for sure. Makes it cry, oh, makes it sad, oh, makes it cry, oh, baby, So, I got myself some paint, I got myself my brown that I want to do, and then I got myself my silver that I'm going to do some airbrushing with, and then I'm going to do the base coat with my little gun and my brown. Got myself some mixing cups, of course, got myself a stirring stick, got myself some reducer, and some hardener. Yeah, so let's mix this up real quick and paint it on. Yeah, make sure you shake it really well. Especially if you don't have like a shaker, like a body shop shaker and stuff like that. And just make sure you shake it really well. So for those that aren't familiar with paint and how it goes, or how to use it, there's different types. You got single stage, you got all types of different kinds of paint. Do your research on what you're using and how to use it. This is just something that I've done projects with over and over and over and over with, so I like doing it. It's not the greatest. I've done this on valve covers for like engines, so it works, it holds, it looks good. Do reducer's next. And if you notice on the measuring cup, it has little numbers on here to tell you where to go. So my bad. Finished painting it, and well, I put the first brown coat on, so check it out.